All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SHIP, Seanergy Maritime Holdings Corp. And before we jump into this stock, I do want to state some things. The first thing is, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button for me to let me know you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. I always appreciate that. That's your way of telling me you watched this video and you enjoyed it by hitting that like button for me. And if you have any other information you would like to piggyback off of what I state, you're more than welcome to comment down below. Also, feedback. I always appreciate that. I encourage that. And any information that would be valuable to viewers and investors, you're always more than welcome to do that. So let's jump into this chart. There's been a very bearish run here. A lot of red. And it ended around here, and slightly the bulls are reappearing. I don't know if it's because the bulls want to stock up on this great price or what's going on here, or that could just be the last of that tug that the bears, were allowing the bulls to reappear, and then now they're just going to go ahead and tug them down. Honestly, there's a lot of uncertainty. All I know is that since this point right here on the 25th of June, the bears have dominated this one. They almost did here, but this is the point where they dominated it, and they've been destroying this chart and maintaining the upper hand. As long as this stays below the 50-day moving average, the bears are in full control. And right now, the 50-day moving average, before I go into moving the resistance levels and the support levels, is, see if I can get it exactly. Yeah, I'm having trouble. It's 1922. It's only letting me land on 23, but 1922 is the 50-day moving average. So that's the point that the bulls need a breakthrough so they can bring this one back. But let's go ahead and put these back to where I had put them, and let's go ahead and zoom in on this chart. So our new resistance level is 1730. Actually, excuse me, 1727. That's exactly where this line is at. And it's going to be a very important indicator. Even if that is broken and used as support, remember 1922 is the most important line that needs to be broken through for the bulls to have this chart turn around. But for, much more zoomed in and focused references, 1727 is the first resistance level that will need to be broken, used as support to break through new support levels. And the last thing here is the support level currently, and that's 1549. As long as this isn't broken through and brought down this way, the bulls do have a chance to get closer to the resistance level and use it as support to break through new resistance levels. But in the meantime, it's a lot closer to the support level, and if that support level is broken and brought down here, I'm not saying that the bears completely have all control over this stock or even broke the whole foundation of this chart and it's completely destroyed, but the bears are continuing to gain the upper hand and move this further away from the 50-day moving average, turning it into a completely controlled chart by the bears. And that's what it's looked like for the past couple of days. So that's something to pay very close attention to. I believe, and if anybody wants to go ahead and agree with me if I'm right or disagree with me in the comments down below, I believe this is happening because of sell-off due to a reverse split that they're gonna do. I think it's 1 for 16, which means for every 16 shares of stock that you own, it's gonna turn into 1 share. So that's actually making investors own less shares and then giving them a value, for what those shares are intended to be worth. But I'm not sure if it's due to that or why is there a sell-off or people taking profits or fear. But anybody that wants to go ahead and piggyback off of that to just give better information to the investors and viewers, you're more than welcome to. But that's something that I'm noticing that's probably correlating to the chart, obviously, as we could see. But this is going to be an interesting one for tomorrow. Just remember the 50-day moving average, the resistance level, and the support level, and obviously the closing price at 1601, so that you can go ahead and follow this one closely for tomorrow. As always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community. And thank you for watching.